We use tripods to help us create a steady base for our cameras. The more rigid the base, the more likely we are to capture the pin-sharp images we want. But that stability can suffer when the tripod we're using is maxed out to full height. Now, my preference is to use a tripod with as tall a maximum height as possible. This means that I generally have the option to minimize the use of the thinner lower leg sections and keep the center column down. In practice, this is rarely possible, even with the likes of full-size tripods such as the three-legged thing Winston here or the Punk's Billy. So what can you do to ensure a stable base with the tripod maxed out on full height? The first step is to find a steady platform on which to set up the tripod. If you know you're going to be using the full height of the tripod, start by extending the legs and find firm ground in which to embed each foot. If you're on soft ground or sand, then it's worth considering a foot change. Three-legged thing tripods come equipped with a multi-purpose rubber foot, but these can be swapped and changed for others if needed. Here I'm using the stilettos as they're a great choice for soft ground, digging in and doing a better job of anchoring the tripod down. Now I'm going to adjust the leg length to ensure that the crown here is level. As you can see, I'm still not entirely up to eye level, so I'm going to increase the center column to its full height. Now with the camera placed on top, I can adjust the height of the center column, and you can see I'm pretty much up to full height on the tripod. Because I'm using the stilettos, the base is pretty firm, but to lower the center of gravity, I'll attach the tools to the D-ring, and then I can attach my kit bag. This additional weight helps further stabilize the tripod when it's maxed out on full height. Now I'm ready to take my shot, knowing that my tripod will provide me with the rock-steady base I need to capture the pin-sharp images I want, even when taking long exposures. Now I've shown you how to max out on height and stabilize your tripod, but before I leave you, I wanted to run through another option with the three-legged thing Albert. This travel tripod has an ingenious design that really promotes stability even when maxed out at full height. The construction sees a maximum height of 1.8 meters, which is far taller than most other compact travel tripods. But it's the design of the legs and center column that really make this tripod special.
Why is this? Travel tripods can suffer from stability issues for a number of reasons, namely too many leg sections and a high center of gravity. The Albert addresses both of these issues. Firstly, the three-section center column enables the extra height while keeping the folded down size small, and the large weighted leg locks add weight below the canopy to help lower the center of gravity and improve stability.
The 5-section legs and 3-section center column are unusual, but mean that once the legs are fully extended, the center column can be used to reach that extra height. You may be thinking that having a single pole with the weight of the camera on top is bound to wobble, but three-legged thing has ensured wide diameter tubing on the center column, and once that's locked into position, you can see just how robust the entire support network is. Hopefully that gives you a few ideas on how to use and stabilize your tripod when maxed out at full height. If you want to find out more about three-legged thing tripods, then head on over to threeleggedthing.com. Or if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them in the box below.